Welcome to UC Today with me, David Dungay. We are here reporting live from Enterprise Connect 2022. It is great to be back. I'm here with Jeff on the CallMiner stand. Jeff, how are you doing?
I'm doing really, really well. You're right, it is great to be back. People are coming to us in the booth and they're excited to meet us, let us show them the breadth of the platform. And the name says it all. This is Enterprise Connect. We're able to connect with folks.
So your customers are excited to see you. What are you excited about, Jeff? What are you excited about this week?
I'm excited this week to talk about the breadth of the platform, talk about what is working for customers, not working for customers, demonstrate our products, talk about scale, insight generation, all of it.
Fantastic. So let's talk about those customers. You know, they're excited to be here. You're excited to be here. What's dominating those conversations right now? What are they trying to get from you?
I mean, at the end of the day, they want us to give them insights into their business to improve it. Which of my agents are better? Which message resonates more? How do I get the people off the phone that aren't adding any value? Healthcare, we talk about patient experience, customer experience, product experience. It's just a whole new avenue of data to better evaluate their business and improve.
Well, let's talk about that data. You know, we talk about actionable insights in this space. There's actually something behind us that says something similar. Tell me about actionable insights. You know, what does that mean, first of all, and how are CallMiner extracting that? Is that all about AI or maybe not?
It couldn't be about AI. We do both AI and kind of a non-AI approach because some customers want simple insights. Hey, tell me what you produce. I'm going to use that and go forward. Other customers might want something a lot more sophisticated where they want to match their existing processes. They want to do insights on how, say, that product is performing and what are people giving as feedback. They're trying to avoid survey fatigue. There's just a lot going on. And we've been in business for a long time, and we really try to listen to our customers, which is a little bit of irony there, right? Because we listen to their customers too. And the idea is that we feed this information back to them in consumable things that we call insights, because you can take action on an insight. You really can't take action on an observation. And so these agents are better because they express empathy when they're collecting money. Most people wouldn't think about that, but the data tells us that's the insight they care about.
Fantastic. So, Jeff, I'm going to ask you to get your crystal ball out now and make a bit of a prediction, or I want you to look into the future. You know, this space has come a long way in the last 2 years, right? What are we going to see over the next 2 to 5 years? What are you expecting to see from the space?
A couple of things. I think the first one is that as more and more companies adopt this kind of analysis, they realize you're going to have to deal with scale. I still don't get that people don't seem to understand call centers are an enormous employer in the world, and the kind of data we're processing is hundreds and hundreds of thousands of hours of conversation, emails, chats, all of that every single day. And so they're looking, one of the most frequently asked questions I get is, can you scale? So obviously we scale. It's a very big deal. But then they're also asking us, I've made this purchase and it's improving my contact center. What else? What else can I do? What about your sales center? What about your CX? Can you use this to augment surveys? And I mentioned healthcare. Can you go out and improve patient-doctor experiences? It's all just interaction. So the answer is yes.
Fantastic. Well, Jeff, thank you so much for talking to me. Enjoy the rest of the show.
I will do. Thanks.
And thank you for watching me, David Dungay, on UC Today.